One UI 8 is finally here, and Samsung has packed in new features on top of Android 16. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through every single feature in the changelog, showing you exactly how they work. So, let's see what's new. First up, Samsung is doubling down on Galaxy AI. Now, during calls, you get real-time captions. What each person is saying shows up right on your screen. Super handy if you're in a noisy place, or if you just don't want to miss anything. We also get pet portrait effects in Portrait Studio. So yeah, it's not just people anymore. You can now turn your dog or cat into an oil painting or fisheye masterpiece. There's a new audio eraser that removes wind and background noise. You'll find it in Gallery, Samsung Notes voice recordings, and even in the phone app, basically anywhere you need cleaner audio. Then there's Now Brief, which gives you quick updates and useful info throughout the day, like a smart feed you can pull from the Edge panel, widgets, or from Nowbar. I am not able to show it to you guys, but emergency alerts now auto-translate if they come in another language. That's a huge useful feature for travelers. On top of that, AI Select is faster now, no waiting for it to load. Well, I still can see the slowness somehow, so I don't know if it's being improved as said. Next, translations or summaries now show side by side with the original in-landscape view, and that's handy upgrade. Samsung's giving us more customization options with One UI 8. There's a brand new lock screen clock that actually blends with your wallpaper, so it doesn't cover faces or pets in your photo. Wallpapers are getting an upgrade too, dynamic ones with shifting gradients, plus smart suggestions from your own gallery like landscapes, pets, or city shots. It feels more personal now, and that looks nice. One UI 8 adds a bunch of little tools that make daily use smoother. Stock prices can now pop up on your Now bar without unlocking. And Quick Share is way easier. You just tap the button in Quick Settings. It's a new UI too. Samsung Notes gets sticky notes you can place over documents, which is perfect for quick reminders. You can add as many as you want. My Files app lets you filter downloads by the app they came from, making it way easier to track down files. Samsung Internet has a cleaner menu that you can customize for quick access. And the scientific calculator now works in portrait mode, so no more tilting your phone just to do advanced math. Samsung also boosted productivity for power users. When connected to a monitor or TV, you can now add widgets right to your DeX home screen, just like your home screen. Also, DeX now supports more resolutions up to WQHD, and you can rotate the external display as you want. While using two apps, you can pin one along the edge of the screen so it stays partially visible while you focus on the other. Just tap it to quickly switch focus back. Super convenient. The Reminder app looks cleaner now with categories up top. You can even hide categories for a minimalist view. Samsung also added sample reminders to show you what's possible, and adding new ones is super quick. Just type or even use your voice. Plus, reminders are now fully integrated into Calendar, so you can drag and drop them around your schedule. Samsung Health has leveled up big time in this update. Running Coach for personalized training plans that adapt whether you're a beginner or advanced, helping you run farther and faster. Bedtime guidance suggests the best time to sleep, so you actually wake up refreshed. New running challenges with friends has also added if you need. With Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch Ultra, now you can measure the antioxidant index to measure carotenoids in your skin and vascular load to show stress on your blood vessels. Also, you can set reminders to log your meals and stay consistent with calorie goals. And you can share health data with anyone you choose, even outside family groups. Basically, Samsung Health is turning into your personal trainer and wellness coach. Samsung gave creators and photographers few new upgrades as well. In the camera settings now you can choose options for swipe preview, up or down action. Now, swipe up or down anywhere on the preview screen, you can instantly open quick controls. In Pro and Pro Video modes, you now get zebra stripes for overexposed areas and false color to see exposure levels across the whole frame. You can now record log video in just video mode for advanced color grading. That's a huge win for creators. Controlling your Galaxy Buds is easier. They're in Phone Settings app now. No need to open the Wearable app. Auracast is also simplified. You can connect to audio broadcasts via QR code or generate your own QR code so others can join your stream. Samsung also tightened up security and privacy controls too. Secure Folder can now auto-close apps and stop sending notifications. You can also completely hide and encrypt the folder for maximum protection. Knox Matrix will sign out devices with risks to protect your account, and notification privacy is easier to tweak. You can now quickly choose whether notifications show content on the lock screen or just stay hidden, so you can set the balance between convenience and privacy. For accessibility, you can now pinch or tap buttons on the assistant menu to zoom in and out on the screen. Turning on mouse keys in accessibility settings lets you control the cursor fully from your physical keyboard. Plus, bigger on-screen keyboard keys and easier pairing for Bluetooth hearing aids. Modes and routines also got an update. New preset routines are available as advanced routines, plus new actions like pulling data from clock, calendar, and notes to use in your automations. It just makes routines more powerful. Smaller but super handy touches are sprinkled throughout the update too. You can now organize alarms into groups, so you can turn them all on or off with just one tap. Notifications also got more control. You can set the pop-up style individually for each app, so maybe you want a big pop-up for messages, but a subtle one for social apps. You can customize that now. And the weather app has been revamped with more realistic, high-quality visuals. That's One UI 8 on Android 16. It brings some nice refinements across AI, personalization, and productivity, but nothing huge compared to One UI 7. I'll also be bringing a video on hidden features that aren't in the changelog, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.